Pine Mountain contains one of the largest patches of semi-evergreen vine forest that's left in southeast Queensland. And semi-evergreen vine forest is a type of dry rainforest that is home to a whole bunch of threatened species such as black-breasted button quail, powerful owls, and a lot of threatened plants as well.
It's particularly important to conserve the semi-evergreen vine thicket and brigalow within our region because so much of it has already been cleared within our region, both southeast Queensland but also in our Ipswich LGA. And the remnant and regrowth of that scrub and brigalow is so important to our region because they provide a lot of biodiversity and also a bit of a glimpse to what it used to look like within this area.
Cat's-claw creeper is a very demanding weed to remove because it's quite resistant to a lot of herbicides. So generally what I do is foliar spray the cat's-claw that's on the ground, and all the cat's-claw that's growing up on the trees and the vines, I cut each individual stem and squirt with herbicide. And that generally gives a fairly good kill, but requires a lot of follow-up treatment as the new tubers shoot up in the ground.
The sheer dedication and commitment that they have on their properties has just been an absolute honour and humbling experience to be a part of. They have an undeniable commitment and passion for the environment, and the work that they have done has specifically contributed to the restoration of threatened species and high-value ecological areas in Ipswich.
What I like about the property here at Pine Mountain is the peace and the quiet, and how rewarding it's been to see so much wildlife move back into the areas that I've already restored.
So today was fantastic because we got to knowledge share with each other as Land for Wildlife officers, and see some incredible properties in Ipswich and share on some of those restoration techniques.
Success for me would be to walk into an area that I've restored and have it feel like a remnant patch of fine forest, whereas the starting value is quite young regrowth that's very weed infested. And so removing all the weeds, allowing the trees to grow back, filling the gaps, trying to recreate the structure and the diversity that used to be in the original forest would be success for me.